I just afraid that we cannot open.
After cycling almost 5,000 kilometers through Europe, we had our first serious breakdown. Here in Naledi, Serbia, it must have happened somewhere between 10 to 20 kilometers before we reached Naledi.
So let's look at this little freak accident or incident we had with our Rohloff rear hub. To be more precise, Sonia with her Rohloff hub. She went over a fishing line. So this fishing line was laying on a pass by the Danube river, where a lot of people are doing fishing, of course. And this piece of fishing line got winded up here between the sprocket and the hub casing. And you have a sealing here that seals the inner hub against outside influence like dirt and water. And the fishing line managed to destroy the seal. And yeah, so we had to fix this before we could continue.
After 12 days, the tools from Rohloff have arrived from Germany.
Okay. Aufnahme fürs Werkzeug sauber machen.
For more background information, you can check out our blog post. The link is in the description. Miro kommt.
Ja. Ist nicht zum Essen mehr da.
Medo, bist. Medo, bist du?
This is not a tutorial how to fix this problem. You can find the repairing instructions on the website from Rohloff.
Oh,
yes.
nice.
Oh,
Nice.
I just afraid that we cannot open.
It's always heavy.
Yes.
It's never easy, but okay. Now we can remove the old simmering. I just want to look how the it was the same level before I take it out. There is actually something left of the old simmering, but
Yes.
you can see it's loose.
Yes, it's something.
Yeah, here it's
yeah.
totally loose. And I have to get out this brass as well. Bam!
It's the old one and new one you can compare.
Yeah, this is the old outer layer, and now just the sprocket. It wrecked the. No, there's the spring, but I have to look at it later. I don't know what exactly it did, but it looks good. The bearing looks fine, absolutely fine. There's no damage to the bearing. Good, very good.
This here is the damaged seal. You can see that the rubber is not connected anymore to the housing. And this is our new seal, the replacement. You can see that the rubber is connected to the housing.
Now we have to make really sure that it's clean. Yeah, the bearing has no damage. Great. This is good news, because I was a little bit afraid that maybe if we are totally unlucky, the bearing got damaged.
It's good that the day you cycle almost less than 15 kilometers.
Yep.
And it's not rain, no dust.
So the bearing has no damage at all. Yeah, there's still a little bit dirt inside. We have to get rid of it. Okay, as clean as it's get. The inside side has to face away from the tool, of course. We just apply this to the outer rim, and
to go easier, and to have a better
sealing.
Yes,
outside. Maybe you have to make sure that this does not hit the rubber part. The rubber part.
Yes, understand.
Okay, looks fine. It must not be too much, because then you are risking that it hits the rubber. Okay,
You going to the end?
Yep.
Yes.
It's as I said, smart and easy tool.
Yes.
Just go to the end. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, should be good.
Should be good. And there you go. Looks great.
Yes.
Looks absolutely great. Okay. Grease for the winding. And now we go again with this one. Should be okay. Yep, fixed it.
Super.
Now,
Last step is to put the wheel back on the bike. Then we can do the oil change. But this you will see in our next video. It is about the maintenance work we do around every 5,000 kilometers. So see you next time.